It's 2:50 in the morning, and Alert 360 Video Shield operators are alerted by our mobile surveillance unit of a male trespassing on our customer's construction site. A second mobile surveillance unit confirms this intruder is on the construction site among expensive material and equipment. Video Shield operators are now live monitoring dual cameras to keep an eye on this intruder. And police are simultaneously dispatched to our report of a real-time trespassing event. Police arrive on scene. The intruder is caught and quickly apprehended by police. Thanks to our mobile surveillance units, swift Video Shield operators, and the prompt response of local police, this construction site is secure for the night. Alert 360 is a technical risk underwriters approved surveillance company.